he like sees me in the window wondering what I'm doing.
What did you say about the gas prices coming home? You drove.
Yep, so I'm just watching that and just sort of, you know, just getting things done around the house today. So that's what I'm doing.
Another season really behind.
So I went to Walmart the other day, and they were out of my creamer, which you guys, I like this, the sugar-free. I'm trying to talk to you while I'm holding this. They were out of it, so this is my last jug. So I'm hoping that I'm able to pick some more up. If not, I'll just have to switch to the non-sugar free. They had, well, they were out of that too. Okay, there's my coffee. Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. Today I'm going to take you guys along on just a day in the life vlog. I haven't done one of these in a while, so we're going to call this a productive day in the life. I have quite a few things I want to get done today. I've been working on laundry. Whenever I'm like getting in the zone, like I talk about the Fly Lady, you know, system, and I keep, like, I have these zones that I use to clean. And one zone is the master bedroom and the master bath. The master bedroom, master bath is like one zone for me. Well, John's only ever made one request of me ever since I started my channel, just one request. So the only one request he's ever made of me is that I do not film in the boudoir. Like, that's his thing. You can film anywhere else in the house, but not the boudoir, the bedroom, our master bedroom. He calls that our boudoir. Do not film in the boudoir, he says. I did film there once, and I was making the bed and all, and he's like, okay, that's fine, but, you know, but that's where my closet is. That's, you know, he doesn't want me to film in that room. I've been working a lot in my closet. My closet's very simple. Like, you watch some of these channels, and like for me, I'll watch channels and I think, oh, I have this ideal of what closets should look like. And then I look at my closet and I feel like such a failure. So, but I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to be showing you guys things like that around my house. On this vlog, I don't really know what we're doing. You can look at the title and know, because I'll figure it out eventually, and that's what I'll put in the title. But I have a little bit of editing to do. I have some laundry to put away. Roscoe, my little sidekick, he's right here. So, all right. Well, that's going to be today what's going on. So, oh, and I got a couple new things too from Amazon for the house. I'm hoping to get those. So the neighbor was driving by, and you know, our window's tinted. I don't think he can see in my big front window, but he's driving by, and I'm like, oh my gosh, he's gonna see me, because I stand here in front of the window when I vlog. I'm not like super close, but I'm a few feet away from it. But this is where I vlog, and he drove by, and I look, and he's got his head out the window, kind of looking like, I swear he like sees me in the window, wondering what I'm doing. So one day I'll explain to the neighbors that I vlog. So yeah. Anyway, oh, we had two new neighbors too moving in across the street. So we have two new neighbors. John has met them. I haven't. One of them. Yeah, so we have two new neighbors to the neighborhood. So yeah, lots of exciting things going on in the neighborhood. All right, I'll get into today's video. So this is our front entryway. This is some stuff I bought at Family Dollar, and I still haven't hung it yet. I got to figure out where I'm going to hang it. And I have a little bit of like my home decor. I've just been putting stuff out. Like, I was trying to go a little minimal for a while. I just wasn't in the mood to decorate. But see, I have this big wall here at the entranceway. I got to figure that out. And I just have some stuff here that I might be using. And of course our shoes. They are not organized at all, but there they are. And up here, I have this old carpet. It always slides over to the left. And I just really have been wanting to get a new one. So I ordered one from Amazon. It's right there. So I want to vacuum really good and then place this carpet here today. I'm super excited about that. Hopefully it's everything I've dreamed of. I hope it looks as good on my carpet as it does in my head. So I got this little corner vacuumed back here, and now I can put that shelf together. I'm gonna go upstairs and vacuum the hallway up there because I'm really excited to put my new rug up. So I'm gonna get that done real quick, and then get my new rug unrolled, and it's coming along. What do you think, Roscoe? Do you like the new rug?
Maybe I'll christen it later.
I'm just working in the kitchen, and I am going to be binge watching this the new season of Stranger Things on Netflix. So just so you guys know, that's what I'm watching. Let me know if you guys are watching that. I really like that. I like that series. When I was sick a few months back, I was basically on the couch, wiped out for about a week, and I just binged watched the first 3 seasons of Stranger Things. Really got into it, and then I was so excited. I think it's the 4th season now that's out. Maybe it's the 3rd, but I think it's the 4th. I'm watching the first episode of the 4th season. So, yep. So I'm just watching that and just sort of, just getting things done around the house today. So, super excited. It smells so nice in here. I just love using that Mr. Clean lemon. It just smells so much better. It smells clean and fresh, and yeah, so I'm going to take a little break, grab a glass of wine, and join John out on the deck because he walked in the door, and figure out what we're having for dinner. That is sweet wine. So John and I are having a glass of wine. And what did you say about the gas prices coming home? You drove by the gas station. What were they?
$4.85 a gallon. Just went up. It was $4.79 like yesterday.
So it went up about 6 cents overnight.
Yeah.
So $4.85 a gallon. We haven't had to drive far lately, but we plan to go camping, so we're probably going to spend $150 on gas.
Yeah. It's going to be an expensive camping trip.
Mm-hmm. We can go get a hotel in Denver.
I know,
less.
right?
Well, we still have to.
Probably be cheaper to get a hotel.
Yeah,
somewhere.
but we'd still have to pay gas to drive up there. So.
Yeah, but you probably get better gas mileage from our littler car than
Oh
a
yeah,
big truck.
that's true. We'd probably save money doing that now. Well. Anyway. See, it's Thursday night, John. Isn't there something important going on tonight?
Yeah, I think there's a new series of Netflix that we're going to watch.
Oh, yeah, with Sissy Spacek. I knew there was something Thursday, like there was some big thing going on today.
Yep, that's
and
it.
we knew it was really important. Like, we
We've
really...
been watching that series that's, I can't remember the name of it.
Sissy Spacek, and I'll have to put it on the screen because I can't remember the name
The guy
of
that does
it.
the insurance commercials. I can't remember what his name is.
Oh, yeah, he plays
Her husband.
her husband, yeah. They have a secret, I guess.
Secret space under their shed in the backyard.
That they go and you can travel to other places, even like in space, right, or something. Yep. Okay. Well, yeah. So we'll be watching that tonight. Let me know, guys.
right.
What do you guys be watching tonight?
That's
Well,
right.
by the time you see this, let me know what you did watch. That's what we're watching tonight.
Yep.
And what's for dinner?
Some salmon that I cooked on the grill the other night.
Yeah, we're gonna heat it up.
Some Atlantic salmon.
Yeah, we got it at Sam's Club. It was really good. Okay. Well, the neighbors are in their pool and the music's kind of loud, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Alrighty. Well, we'll check back in after dinner. Okay. I'm going to cook that on about 350 degrees for 30 minutes on convection. I'll probably check it in 15. It's fully cooked. We've already grilled it, so I just want to heat it up and I don't want it to dry out. Well, that's going to be the vlog tonight. Say goodnight, John.
Good night.
He's back here. We're getting ready to watch Night Sky. That's what we're watching tonight. We've been watching news and watching stuff, and just the more you watch, the more stressed, right? So let's watch something like Night Sky, or like, I really enjoyed watching Stranger Things. It is a bit violent in the beginning, and there's an interesting note on the front just acknowledging that. Oh, and John and I went to see Top Gun a few nights ago, and that was really good.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, that was a really fun movie, so highly recommend that movie. So, all right, we're gonna go watch our TV. What are you guys watching tonight? Let us know. What'd you have for dinner? And I hope you got what you wanted to get done today. I got most of my chores done. Still got more. That's for another day. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Most people want to get out of the house. They go to dinner and maybe a movie.
Go ahead and start it whenever
Most
you're
people
ready.
don't have this.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with